Hello guys, welcome back again to the garden. I'm home. I've been working on the garden like crazy, but I think the garden is coming along beautifully. As you guys can see, I start over. There's nothing you see here, it was in the garden. I start over and I've been buying a lot of stuff. I still have to finish working here because I'm going to put work over there. I need to move all of those things and for me to put some work in. You see over there, because I know there's a lot of things gonna go in the ground there. I don't ever want to deal with me with anything else. That's the reason I'm going to put cardboard over there, and then after that I will put the work. But I like it so far, guys. Everything is looking very nice. Basically, it's a brand new garden over here. As add more work over here, and as you guys see, it's fresh evergreen shrub over here. I will look for the name for you guys, but if you guys want to know the name. But yes, those are the one the cold didn't kill. And I purchased a lot of more evergreen, and then I bring them here. And I think those two beautiful green thing, I think they're getting too much sun. I have to replace them with other green trees. We can take the sun. So far I got 4, and then those 4 trees, I think I'm going to put them on the back. I think I'm gonna put one right here, one right there, one on the corner to make sure I have one on the back. But before I did that, I have to find the pot to put them. Yeah, it's really nice. I got green. Everything is green, no color, but I'm fine with that. But I know in the long future they're not going to die, because I'm almost done. I am so relieved, guys. Basically, that's the front, and the back, I have to cut all those dead trees to bring them out. I really like it. I'm exhausted, but I like it. Thank you guys for watching. See you for another video in the garden.